Hi, welcome back. Again, Pankaj from Sons of Technologies. One of the very basic question asked in interview is what is difference between path and class path? When to use which one? Let's discuss about path and class path. Now, when to set the path and when to set the class path? First, you need to set the path when you want to use the JavaC and Java tools, which are present actually inside JDK bin folder. So many of the times whenever you want to compile the code, you need JavaC, Java compiler, and to execute it from the prompt, you need Java command. So both of these are available in JDK bin folder. So if you need to access it from your console, then you need to actually set the path to JDK bin. Not only JavaC and Java, we have many other tools available like JavaP, RMIC, and many more. So all of these tools to access, we can set the path to JDK bin. Then the class path. The class path you need to set when you want to actually access the .class files. Like example, you might be compiling from OneDrive, but your .class file or the .jar file or the .var files might be present in some other location, but you want to execute it from some other place. So in that case, you can set the class path to the path where your executable files or the bytecode, which is .class or .jar or .var files are available, and then you can execute it from any other location. Just a note, .jar file is collection of .class files. Similarly, .var files can contain more than one .jar files and .class files. Let's see them practically. To make use of path and class path, let me go to Java FAQ folder and open the command prompt and type here notepad abc.java. Let me split it into two screens. Yes, arranged. Here I am creating public class abc with main method inside and printing just for demo. And let's try to compile this code from here, javac abc.java, and you can see here the error showing that javac is not recognized as an internal or external command. So means we cannot access the tool javac. So to get this javac and Java in our path, that is from this path, if I want to compile and execute my Java programs, then we need to set path to our JDK bin. So here you can see I am setting the path to the Java JDK bin folder. Followed by this bin folder, I am putting dot, means set this particular path of JDK bin in current path which I am right now working on, that is Java FAQ folder, and then percentage path percentage. This means after setting this particular JDK bin path in the current folder, even keep the previous path setting whichever is there in the environment variables of your system. Otherwise, if you don't specify this here, then it will set the current path, but the other path settings will be overridden. So I will not be able to execute some other commands which I was able to execute before. So hence we are just keeping this as well to mention that keep the previous path setting also as it is. Let's see after pressing enter here. Now previously I was getting an error for the usage of javac. Now if I type javac abc.java, so you can see I am able to compile it, and even if I execute it java abc, yes, I am able to execute it. So this is when we need to set the path. So if you are using an IDE, then also we need to set the path, but only thing is we will not be setting with command. Apart from this set path command, we can even set this particular thing in the environment variables directly, which depends from OS to OS. So for different OS, there will be different place where in the environment variables we can set this path. But in any of these cases, the path setting is always to Java JDK bin folder, from where we can access javac and Java tools, means we can compile and execute. Then when to set the class path. Now to see that, let me take you to the folder where we have got this abc.class file created. Yeah, so here you can see I have got one abc.class file created. So I will just wrap it inside a jar file, as according to the standard practice we will be having all the .class files put inside a package and then it will be wrapped inside a jar file. So here directly I am putting a .class file inside a jar file, and command wise to do that activity is jar space. Even this command jar which I am using is present in JDK bin folder, and as I have set the path to that one, so hence I am able to access even that command now. So here we are typing jar cfp space. Let me give the jar file name as demo.jar, and then which .class file I want to include in this. If I want only abc.class file, I can type like this, or sometimes if you have many .class file, then we can type star.class. So anyway, in our case we have a single .class file, so that will be taken and wrapped inside demo.jar. So see, it has been added, and now this is the demo.jar file which contains our abc.class file. Now here for testing purpose, what I will do is I will create here one test folder and keep this demo.jar file inside that test folder. So I have moved it inside the test folder. You can see the test folder contains demo.jar file, and outside I don't have anything, and I am going to delete these two files. So I don't have anything available outside, and this test folder is the one which contains demo.jar. Here only for testing purpose I am pushing it inside the test folder, but it could be in any of the other directory path or might be in separate drive altogether. Now what if I want to access that thing from my Java FAQ path? Like example here, coming back to the prompt. Now see, if I type now Java space ABC, if I press enter, see I am getting an error because my Java FAQ folder doesn't contain any of such .class files. It is present inside a jar file which is kept inside test folder. So to access that particular jar file, I need to specify here set class path equal to. So here I am directly specifying // means in current folder I have test folder, inside that test folder I have demo.jar, and then I will be putting that set it in the current folder, means set that class path to the current folder right now which I am at, and then percentage class path percentage. Now this is how to set the class path. In editors, if you are using some IDEs, then there will be build class path kind of option available, using which you can directly select the set of jar files which can be taken and put inside your current project class path, which also internally actually executes this command only. So here I am setting this class path. After setting this class path, let's see now executing Java space ABC, and you can notice the output coming right now. So now just for demo is coming. So by now it might be clear when to set the path and when to set the class path. So use path when you want to have an access to Java C and Java tools, or any of the tools which are part of your JDK bin folder. It could be jar, Java P, etc. Whereas use class path when you want to access the .class files which might be available as it is or might be wrapped inside a jar file or war file. So war file is actually for web application. Similarly, you have many archive files. So any of the archive files which contains .class files, to access them we can also set the class path. So hope the usage of path and class path is pretty clear. Let's see you with next question. Thank you.